So they had their up-close moment.
Taking a second look. The crowd is certainly weighing in on their opinions.
Of course. And the handlers are just trying to keep the dog steady.
Yes.
Stay still. Let the judge have another look.
Yeah. Yeah.
Taking a good look.
He's going to send them around one at a time. Looking at side gate.
So is this where a misstep could work against you?
I think at this level, Chris, yes. You know, this perfection is what we need right now.
All
By
of
the
these,
handler and the dog.
Yes.
absolutely. All these dogs are wonderful examples of their breeds. Now it comes down to the very finer points.
Yeah, who's putting it all together? And I don't see anybody giving any leeway yet.
Yeah.
So far, everybody's really asking for it.
Exactly. They're weighing in on the Sussex.
Yeah. This crowd is not tiring of cheering. Comes the Dachshund.
Here goes the long-haired
Loose
Dachshund.
sleeve. Look at that loose
Just
sleeve.
so smooth. All in
Elegant.
his zone, right? No support from the handler. He's just doing his own thing. It's beautiful.
Burns knows what to do. He's on tonight. And now King, not intimidated by the noise at
Not at
all.
all.
He loves it too.
And the Havanese.
There's a
Really captures the way that this breed moves. That's it.
Look at that face. That is a beautiful headpiece, beautiful coat, in great condition.
Thanks, son. Beautiful. He looks beautiful. Thank you. He looks beautiful. They're all doing their best. Thank you for showing. Thanks for showing them. Thanks, Dave. Thank you, Dave. They all look beautiful.
That's very
That
nice.
was lovely that he acknowledged that.
He knows everybody.
Yes.
He's been in the sport so long. He knows the handlers.
He also knows what it's like to beat them.
Exactly. We're a little anxious right now.
And if he's leaning one way or another, he hasn't given us any
No.
indication.
No, he hasn't.
Great poker face.
So now he's deciding his reserve best in show, which of course is given
Okay.
first,
Yep.
and then best in show. So he has to sign the book officially, make it official.
Yes.
Pick the reserve and then we'll come back.
Okay.
They'll give the award for reserve, the ribbon, the trophies, and then best in show.
Crowd is getting restless.
They're anxious for the love of their dog. They want a winner. Live on FS1.
Yeah, the crowd's reacting because they're showing the dogs up on the jumbotron, so they're
Exactly.
getting.
Oh, the Dachshund is getting a
So we have
huge
the
roar.
Reserve
Runner-up.
rest.
Terrier.
We're going to come back.
This will be reserved.
We good?
The runner-up.
Yep.
as you would
Okay,
think.
let's see.
who gets second out of 6.
Don't fall. Come on.
It's a hell of a lineup. Thank you, guys. You're all the best, and you have the best. Thank you so much for showing them to me. All right. Reserve best in shows the Havanese.
Bono gets reserve best in show.
Wow. That's some history in the making.
It is. Champion West in the name of love. Bono. Owned by Mary King, Rafe Schindler, Julie Vogel, and Taffy McFadden, the handler.
You too can be on center stage.
That is history.
Incredible. And as Taffy had shared last night, she is the breeder and the owner of the dog. Although she's a professional handler, this is her own dog.
She has to be so proud right now.
So we have 2 that have a chance to be the first ever of their breed. for Best in Show.
Who is that, Chris?
You have the your dachshund that you've been selecting.
Yes, the
rooting for.
dachshund.
That's
Dachshund,
why.
he's been pushing.
Promoting.
The promoter.
And the Bouvier, and also we have the Terrier that has had great success, and the Wire Fox has dominated.
Thanks, David.
David, you stay right here, David.
As the runner-up waits patiently.
They're getting all the trophies ready. Carry them out with the Best in Show ribbon.
Okay.
Oh, in the middle, next to me, Peter. All right, that's.
They're headed over there.
Careful. Hold that ribbon up a little.
Okay.
There you go.
Remember,
You know, I love you all. Every one of you. He's Best in Show.
the Wire Fox Terrier.
Wire Fox Terrier is king again.
It's a great endorsement from our country's greatest terrier man.
It certainly is. Peter Green is a legend of the sport. He's been Best in Show 4 times, and now he's been able to be the judge and hand the ribbon over to another lucky winner.
And you set it up, his involvement in terriers, his background, 15 wins for the Wire Fox Terrier, most of any, and the terrier breed dominant once again. 2019, the Best in Show, and it's king.
Incredible night.
Congratulations to owner Victor Malzoni. This is such a win. The dog has been #1 terrier all year.
Set the pace.
Very successful.
And he's been successful all over the world.
Exactly.
Yeah, he's been campaigned in Europe as well, and has been victorious everywhere he's gone.
And if you make it here, you make it anywhere, as we said at the top of the show. Perfect segue to, as they play New York, New York, and the fans, boy, the crowd was really with it tonight.
Yes,
they were. They were not easing up to the very end. And great drama with, well, we thought we were close, first time breed, but in the end, old reliable Wire Fox Terrier.
Well, Gabriel,
there's something comforting about old reliable sometimes. I'll take it.
But Gabriel Rangel always has his dogs in top condition.
Yes.
And we will hear from the winner and take a closer look at the winning dog. And there is King, as Terrier once again the group and the Wire Fox Terrier rules 2019, the 143rd Westminster Kennel Club Dog Show, and there is Best in Show.